We've arrived at Bangalore Airport. This is a little more cosmopolitan city than it was in Ahmedabad. We actually got to go through security line together. Well, more or less. They stopped Tim again. It took him a while to get through. I was through easily and repacked, so that was a good thing. I see they have KFC here again and noodle, all sorts of stuff. We're going to take a little explore in a minute. I know that we need gate 33, and I do see a board over there that tells me it's off to my right. So we'll be heading in that direction in just a few minutes, whenever Tim's finished packing. I can't turn around because security's behind me, and I'm fairly sure they don't want me filming that direction, so here we go. Well, they've got a nice little wall of plants. And a Christmas tree. And a gingerbread house. Fortunately, our flight doesn't leave for a couple of hours, so I can wander. Tim won't be able to find me again, but no worries. I should have mentioned to him that I'm inclined to wander off. Is this a fancy Starbucks or what? Oh, it's full of plants here. It's just so pretty. I love it. Okay, Jones Express, two clothing companies, so wasn't really expecting it to be a grocer, but here it is indeed. There are some sandwiches, some drinks, some snacks, the supply. I think we'll probably skip the taste of India, but here's the board. We're up here. This is us. Gate 33. Krispy Kreme! Wow! How full am I from lunch? Maybe not too full. They've got red velvet, chocolate dream cake, snowflakes, choco orange.
Which one do you want?
I think I would like to get a little closer and just make sure choco orange are yeast raised and not cake, because I'm not a cake donut fan. Choco orange sounds good to me though. Oh, look at the ones on the bottom with golden stars. I wonder what they're filled with. Oh, powdered strawberry? Yeah. This is how I'm dressed. You could just see me with powdered strawberry, couldn't you? Oh, the featured donut has little gingerbread men on it. I'm getting in Tim's way, so I need to back up just a second.
That's what we're doing. Look at that.
But I still think choco orange sounds good. I don't know what's in the featured donut. Okay, we'll see if Tim's card works. If not, I have cash. We've got mixed fruit juice, lychee, Coke Zero, Coke, pulpy orange, thumbs up, Sprite, and lots of water. Yay! Alright, we're going to head on down towards gate 33 and find somewhere to sit. Oh, they have Skittles and Hershey's. My goodness. It looks like they have Snickers. Yeah, I see Snickers. And Kit Kat. Okay, I'm going to let Tim do all the work. and look for the lounge, and I'm going to go check out the Choco Bay. Travel edition. I love that they have English stuff here as well. So it's really what I'm looking for, to see if there's anything English that Lisa would like me to take home for her, even though I really don't need to pack anything else in my suitcase. There's so much good looking chocolate. Oh, they have Turkish Delight thins. I'm tempted. I thought I would actually look and see if they have any of the dark chocolate Ferrero, just on the off chance, because they're the best. Nope, it's all regular stuff. And they've got some toys and whatnot. Anti-hair loss shampoo. Dry shampoo. Okay, I bought Toblerone in Switzerland, and I'm pretty sure I got a dark one, so I shouldn't buy another. And some dried fruits and nuts. Okay, we're just walking. I'm going to try and keep you at a level where you can see something as we walk through. Tim said the lounge entrance was near Fossil. I'm pretty sure that I saw that when we got through security. Security's up here. Body shop. Okay, do I even remember what it is Lisa likes? No, I don't. Oh, and they've got Hamleys. I love it. Back to Starbucks. Fossil's on the other side of Starbucks. Okay, so there's Fossil. And there's something on the other side of it. Here it is, but it looks like there may be a line. It may be standing room only again. Well, Tim waved his magic card and got us into the lounge. He got us into the Premier Lounge. We were a little concerned when we were standing in line at the other lounge. It looked pretty full, but I think we probably have enough space here. Actually, I hope we're not here too long, or I may have to stretch out. But they have some outlets below the seats. Not seeing USB ports, but we've got plugs. So looks like a good place to sit back, relax, and enjoy Krispy Kreme. I just walked down to the food area, picked us up a couple of cans of Sprite. They have all kinds of hot food and some fruit. Lots of full spaces here. We've got a nice space that's pretty empty. Well, apart from the two of us, it's empty right now. But this here with the big sign of the tree on it is actually a video room. There are a lot of people sitting in there watching some video. Beyond that, you can't really see. Like right in there are a couple of rooms that are like single person rooms to just charge, and a single seat in there. There's another lounge that's not too full, this is like a reading room or something. There are a lot of people down by the food area, so I'm glad we stopped here. Okay, Tim took a bite of his, told me it was spicy, so he was going to take mine. So I haven't come to any filling. Not sure what the filling is, but the topping is definitely chocolate orange, and it's pretty yummy. How about yours? Is yours yummy?
Yes, it's very good. I'm hoping it's white, but I haven't gotten there yet.
Right. Oh, I made it to a filling, and it's chocolate orange too. It's very yummy. Highly recommend it. if you're in Bangalore Airport. Even though we had to pay for this, and food in the lounge is free, I don't think we would have wanted any food in the lounge. This is just a huge treat. We're about to leave the lounge. I just noticed all the little trees have Santa hats. Isn't that fun?